Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy, Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey girl, hey boy, how you doing? How you feeling? Alright guys, so today I am reviewing this Outre Perfect Hairline, TIANNA. If you want to know about Miss TIANNA, stay tuned. Work it. Okay guys, I'm done with Miss TIANNA. Let's go ahead and talk about her. So this is the Outre Perfect Hairline in the style TIANNA. I have the color 1B, and this is from the Perfect Hairline series. So this is a 13x4 lace frontal, and it says HD transparent lace. Okay, let's have a conversation, okay? All right, so guys, as you saw, I showed you guys that I can go in with this unit glueless. I lifted her up. I showed y'all after I tinted her with my spray, and you could lift her up. So as far as melting her down, I did melt Genevieve. I reviewed that, and I'll leave a link up here, but I did go in and melt that whole hairline down. This one, I just went ahead in the front right here, and I used my bed head. I secured it, and I melted the front down. So now the sides, we are flapping. We are flapping. We're not going nowhere. So I didn't secure this unit down, but I feel like you can go in any way. You can do it like how I did Genevieve, or you can go in this way and just secure the front and just maybe put some bobby pins. I didn't put any bobby pins down on this one. I just went ahead with my wig grip and I just put it down just with the front, and I feel like it works. So any way that you're feeling like you need to do with these units, I feel like it works. This unit is pretty much an everyday silky straight unit. Her length pretty much goes like this all the way around. It's not any layers in here. You're just getting the same cut all the way around. You do kind of have like some bumped ends going on. I do kind of wish the front here was a little bit layered, so I'm actually going to go ahead and layer it a little bit. So I do kind of wish this front was like a little bit layered right here. I feel like this would have been a little bit better if it was layered like this. And I'm just using my razor comb, guys, and kind of shedding her out a little bit. Or you can just use some scissors, whatever you like. Okay, so those scissors are blunt and they're not working. Anyway, so yeah, so I do wish this was a little bit layered in the front, but other than that, this texture is silky. She kind of reminds me of Chiari, but she's shorter. She's like a shoulder length version. These are two different companies. This is Outre. Chiari was sensational. But that texture, she reminds me of her. She's silky. She doesn't feel too plasticky, but she does remind me of Chiari. Just kind of reference. Genevieve, I did review, and that texture to me felt a little bit coarser. It felt a little bit more light yaki. This one feels silky straight. It's not too silky. It kind of is a little light yaki, but it's okay. The density is good. You can do a lot with this unit. I feel like she's an everyday kind of go, you know, unit. I went ahead and just put my right part in her. Again, she's a lace frontal, so you can go in and part her in so many different ways. But she's 13 by 4. You can't go all the way down, so keep that in mind. You do get, like, I think about like an inch or two right here in the front, so you can kind of put her up. If I did secure this down here, this hairline looks okay. I did go ahead and pluck the hairline a little bit more. I felt like it was a little bit too straight. I didn't pluck my Genevieve when I reviewed Genevieve, but this one I feel like because of the style and the way it's kind of showing, I felt like it needed to be plucked a little bit more. But the hairline does look okay, so you don't absolutely need to pluck it. I feel like when you go in with a razor to cut the lace off versus scissors and not getting like a straight cut, the razor kind of gives you some jaggedness to it, so it kind of works with making it look a little bit more realistic. Okay, I'm getting some shedding. As far as tangling, right now she's not tangling up on me, but she will tangle. She is synthetic, and based on this texture, I know that because she does feel like Chiari to me. My Chiari lasts for a while, but it did start to get a little bit tangly and a little bit stiff. So the fact that this is synthetic, it's gonna tangle. This is a 1B. It kind of looks like a 1 to me, but you know, it's fine. There's a lot of different colors in this unit. I did not use any baby hairs in here. You can if you want. To each his own. And I feel like she's a good kind of everyday unit. She's cool, you know. No complaints. She works. She gets the job done. Okay. She's very sleek, so she's not like, there's no curls in here. As far as curling her, it says that you can curl these units. Per like experience with curling them, you could curl it. It's like it tolerates the heat, but it doesn't hold the curl depending on the unit. So I just kind of leave them as they are, the way it comes, and I just go from there. But she's okay. I did review a more affordable unit that kind of reminded me of this recently. Her name was Polo. She basically just had like a lace part. So if you don't want this whole frontal effect, I would suggest that one because it kind of looks the same. But for the most part, she's a easy every day. She works, okay? She gets the job done. Anyway, let me know what you guys are thinking about Miss Tianna. And until next time, I'll talk to you later. Bye.